Good morning, students. It's me, Miss Sanya, and today we are back with another lecture. As you all know, that we have completed migration, seasonal migration, and the different effects of migration in the previous video. So today we are taking a start with the causes of migration. That why exactly migration occurs. What are the reasons behind that? But before moving forward, hurry up, grab your notebook along with pencil and pen and start noting the important pointers. And yes, you're already familiar with the other guidelines. So let's get started. I am dividing the causes of migration into three parts. That is economic. I will discuss this according to economic perspective, according to political perspective, and according to social perspective. I am going to discuss each and everything in detail because there were multiple MCQs along with questions which were included in the past papers. So moving forward to economic migration. Well, you can see over here the first point migration in search of better economic conditions, employment, etc. This point states that the place where you are living, you're not having better opportunities to feed or to look after your family members. Due to this, you're migrating to another place to improve the conditions and improve the employment conditions of your family members. Then the second point migration to escape overpopulation and its effects. It means the place where you are living, there is overpopulation, and due to this, there are lack of resources, and you cannot feed your family completely, or you cannot look after your family due to overpopulation. So you're migrating towards another country so that you can feed your family, you can look after them, along with you can actually give them all of those resources which are needed by them. Coming towards the third point, migration to escape poor climatic conditions such as droughts. Now, migration to escape poor climate condition means that the climatic condition is not good. Let's suppose those farmers who are dependent upon agriculture, when they're not having vegetation, when they're not having land to to plant trees or to look after or to grow or to look after the families, then automatically they're shifting and moving towards that place in which they can have they can look after vegetation, they can have a land where they can grow crops and where they can have the agriculture. Then migration to escape natural disasters, obviously due to climatic conditions such as, for example, heavy rainfall or acid rain, it destroys the crop. So you're moving towards another place to look after all of these factors. Coming towards political factors, oh yes, one more thing which I forgot to mention. Economic means that everything which is related to government, money, and to feed your family, all of those things come under the heading of economic. Coming towards political migration, the term political means here we are talking about government, here we are talking about politicians, here we are talking about how your country is running, here we are talking about laws, rules, and regulations. So everything that all things which I told you right now, it lies under the heading of political. Coming towards this one, migration to escape war, invasion, military takeover, etc. It means you're not safe to live there anymore when there are wars happening, when there is invasion, military is taking over. So obviously you're migrating towards another country. You're escaping from persecutions. Escaping due to ethnic and political religious riots which are going on into your country. Your freedom is not safe over there. You're not free to speak, you're not free to practice your rituals. Due to this reason you're migrating. And yes, crimes are occurring in majority over there, people are committing crimes. Due to this you're escaping. Other political reasons are that punishments are allotted to you and you want to save yourself from punishments. Due to this you're escaping. You're migrating because of enslavement. Enslavement basically means that you're treated as slaves. Due to this, you are getting, or you can say that due to this, you're treated like that way. Then forced migration with or without political agreements. It means that there is no political agreement which is over there. Political agreements are going on, but without political agreement, forced migration, it means that you don't have to sign any agreement. You are just moving towards another place to save yourself and to save your family. Then coming towards social migration, pull factors. Social means that everything which is happening into your surrounding is known as social. Migration to spread a religion, it means you're spreading religion, you're reuniting with your family and friends, and you are migrating due to all of these factors. You're migrating to spread political philosophies such as Marxism, democracy, etc. And yes, obviously, the rituals or the teachings which you're following from your ancestors and descendants, you are spreading that thing which you're following by them. So the assignment for today is question number one, discuss with reference to both push and pull factors the main causes of population movement, including rural-urban migration, seasonal migration, emigration, and immigration. And then question number two, what is the difference between emigration and immigration? So you have to discuss each and everything, and then you have to post your answers under the instructions on KP. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening to us. I hope this presentation turned out to be something very interesting and informative for all of you. And I hope that each and everything is cleared by all of you. Still, if you people are having any questions, you can contact us on KP and you can ask us over there. Inshallah, we return back with another presentation. Till then, take care. Barakallah. And